Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Programming with Vue. Today, we have a fantastic project management tip to share with you. We'll show you how to create a project tracker in Google Sheets using checkboxes and sparklines. This is going to make managing tasks a breeze. Step 1. Inserting checkboxes. Let's get started. The first step is to observe your data and identify where you want to insert checkboxes. To do this, select the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Now, click on the Insert menu, and you'll see the Checkbox option. Select it, and voila, you've got your checkboxes. Step 2. Creating sparklines. Now, let's take it up a notch. We'll create sparklines to visualize our project's progress. In a cell where you want to display the sparkline, enter the following formula. This formula will generate a bar chart based on the number of checked checkboxes within the specified range. You can customize the chart type, color, and other parameters as needed. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a project tracker in Google Sheets using checkboxes and sparklines. This method will help you visually track the progress of your tasks and projects, making it easier to manage and prioritize. If you found this tip helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your project management colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more productivity and tech tips. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay organized and efficient with this project tracker, and happy project managing.